Friends, welcome back to the Dollar Tree. Alright friends, so starting with the Energy 50 milligrams of caffeine, only 125 guys. So they're soft chewables and man, this is a great deal. So if you guys can see the writing here, they also have sleep medicine, 5 milligrams of melatonin for 125 too. Man, this is great. This Himalayan pink salt lip balm is moisturizing. It says cherry and shea butter. You get 2 for 125. Alright friends, this VO5, the scalp detoxifying treatment with zero frizz technology, 125. That's great. They also have VO5 protective spray. And what is this? Hair and scalp oil spray. Okay. Root touch up. I didn't know they had this here in black, blonde, and brown. Okay guys, they have instant dry shampoo, extra hold spray, and maximum hold spray. This is jasmine dragon fruit scented body wash for 125. Now this looks like something new, guys. It is a Pro Silk Body Moisturizing Body Wash, as well as these. Man, you get 32 ounces on this one and 24 ounces on this one. This is the Rose and Vanilla Bath Salt. This is the body scrub and the body wash. It's Repair Smoothing Foot Cream and Exfoliating Foot Scrub. Huh, that's not bad at all. I need to try that to let you all know how it is. Sounds good. And this is Lift and Firm Eye Cream. Anti-wrinkle cream with AHAs and collagen. Retinol skin cream, anti-aging. These are some goodies. Brightening toner pads, acne patches, cleansing daily face wash. This is a morning fresh facial scrub, gentle exfoliate, invigorating scent. What is this? Man, I'm missing it up in here. Balancing toner mist. Huh. Okay, friends, so we have Power Serum, vitamin B, C, B, and whatever that word is. Okay. They also have the Retinol Renewing Double Serum, refines skin tone and texture. This one has peptides in it. Okay guys, this is new. This is a bath mitt. Okay, 2 shower pads, satin shower cap, exfoliating bath cloth. Before, this is Burning Rose Automatic Spray Refill in Romance. This one is in Calm, which is Sandalwood Serenity. Mandarin Zest. Bathroom Air Fresheners, Fresh and Clean Baby Scent, 3-in-1. Fresh Linen. Smoke Odor Eliminator. Since they have the Menstrual Pain Relief, you get 15. And guys, these are so amazing. These are disposable washcloths, and I love these. I buy them packs at a time. You get 18 large washcloths, and these are great. I use them to just wipe things up, and you know, something that's gonna take more than one paper towel, I'll use these. Yeah, and I love them. Here's a different one here, guys, but these are new. Okay, disposable washcloths. I need to try these. But I know 100% these are amazing. They're so thick. I could tell now they're not as thick as, these are not as thick as these. But I'm still gonna try them. A wax strip kit, you get 20 pieces. 10 body strips, 6 face strips, 2 bikini and underarm strips, 2 cleansing wipes, dermatologist tested for all skin types. It's a 3-blade razor. I also have this color, matches my shirt. Alrighty friends, so they have these little slip-ons with the grip at the bottom. This is great for $125. So they have red, green, and black. And this is a heatless curling set for beautiful damage-free curls. 1 hair rod and 2 hair elastics. All the socks, guys, they're here with all the names like Peanut, Hawaiian Punch, Bubble Yum, and so on. Alright friends, so this is a pure aloe soothing mist, hydrate and refreshes, and they also have, this is the aloe after sun wipes. Yeah, $125. The Body Balm cocoa butter jelly sticks are amazing. I buy these all the time and I love them. Alright friends, they have this nail polish. This is new. This is High Shine. They also have the brown one. Those colors are really pretty. This is Hydrating Lip Gloss, Love Your Lips. Nourishing formula, buildable color, lasting moisture, all day wear. Okay. This is Silky Lip Cream, Pink Velvet, Salt Rose, Bold and Bright Lipstick. This one is in, what color is this one? Creamy Cocoa. Juicy Cherry. Yeah. Okay. We have this finishing powder. HD camera ready. That's new. This Sunlight Bronzer. Liquid Blush. Party Pink is the color. Alrighty friends, Borax Powder, Laundry Booster, and Multi-Purpose Cleaner. 14 ounces. This is a stain remover stick. This is new. Bottle cleaner tabs. You get 12. That's great. Wood floor cleaner. And this is new. Fruit and vegetable wash. They also have dish detergent. Dish detergent as well. Same company. Okay. All right, friends, over here in the frames, the picture frames, they're all $125. Look at this cute little wooden frame. Well, that looks cute. 4x6 with the little stand and the tabs. Okay. Four by 6. Alright friends, these are some really cute signs here for $125. This one says porch. This one says welcome spring, bloom, and blessed. Tassel wall decor. Oh, we got a lot of them. Nice. this, guys. This is new. 125, and I love this. The faux succulents. These are so pretty. Really nice size. Ooh. Bang for your buck on that one. Alrighty, guys, they have the tapes here, different patterns, the animal kits, the ropes, reindeer moss, all the beautiful ribbons. Ooh, how pretty. We have these, 3 yards. All the foam. Okay. Alrighty, friends, all the yarn. This yarn is really pretty. Ooh, look at these. These colors are gorgeous. Ooh, look at this purple. That's pretty. Even have the velvet. Yes. Well, alrighty, my friends, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.